Hi, welcome to this tutorial video on creating charts in Microsoft Excel. In our previous video, we showed you how to create a simple chart, which is simply highlight the data, go to your insert menu and select the chart you want. However, to be a little bit more detailed so you can actually see those labels, we're going to show you how to do that a little bit differently this time around. So I'm going to delete this chart that we had created last time, and I'm going to do something interesting here. So also something to note is how do you actually select all your non-adjacent columns. So here is how we're going to do that. So we're going to highlight from what we have here in column A, from A2 to A5, and we're going to hold down the control key on your keyboard, and we're going to select from D2 to D5. And now we're going to go to insert. We're going to go to the option for chart, in this case column chart, 3D clustered column, and we're going to select that option. Now I'm going to resize this a little bit so it can fit, and now you will see something very different from what we had the last time. Now you should be noticing you have the labels of the different items here. So we have milk, eggs, bread, etc. clearly seen and distinct in terms of the labels that we have on our chart. So hope this video helped you. Please remember to subscribe and look out for additional videos as it relates to creating charts and working with data and functions and formulas in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.